Why you keep shaking your head, True Royal?
Because I thought I had made up my decision and then y'all bring me up here.
But you know, you can elevate as time go on. You got time.
I want it now.
I know. Yeah. And then we got, oh, hey, how you doing? Don't be trying to hide. We see you. Now we're going to find you. We see you. She's leaving, y'all. She's leaving. But you got a whole other area back here where you can cook. And, of course, there's cabinetry back here. Somehow you push the button, and you got all kind of cabinetry back here. So it's a villa. Of course, we're outside. Walking with Tasha. What are your thoughts, Tasha?
I'm just excited. I stay excited because I'm in such peace just living here, and I'm excited because I know that they're getting information that's from the horse, from experts. They're getting to see it for themselves. They're not watching another video, even though our videos are awesome.
Yeah.
But yeah, that makes me feel, again, very, very proud about what it is we do.
Absolutely. So if you don't need as much space as the penthouse, we're about to get the conversion right now from the property expert here.
Come
on the ground.
Right.
Yeah. Let's see what the asking price is.
It's, 2 million.
2 mil?
2 million USD.
Yeah, and wait till y'all see it. 2. Here's this. So here's the main bedroom, and then of course here's your balcony. This is what you see every day. And then if you want to jump in your own private pool, you can, because it's over there. Somebody takes care of that for you, so you don't have to worry about it. And like I said, there's levels to these things here in sunny South Africa. They're just levels. And so we provide those levels for you to scale while you're coming here to South Africa. Think with me again, comes with Gagano. If you look that up, you're gonna be like, whoa. Yes. So here's this, here's that.